Okay, in order to disassemble this unit, you're going to need a 1/4 inch drive 5/16 socket with the extension to fit down the depth of the hole. You're also going to need a Phillips bit. All right, for the assembly, you're going to have 6 screws. The 2 at the back side of the handle are the Phillips. Then you have 1, 2, 3 that are 5/16 head in the deep pockets. The 4th one is behind your external filter down in. All right, once you've removed all 6 of those screws, you can basically just grab your power cord and the handle, lift up, and it'll split in half. It's still attached inside, so lay it bottom to bottom. And this is what you're gonna have. After 5 years in what is considered a clean household, this is the amount of dust that is inside from the blower fan. All right, so when you're disassembling, pay attention to your inlet and your outlet of your filter. By the way, this unit, we could not order directly from Respironics. So we found this at Walmart, and it is from Respironics. We just weren't able to order it directly from the manufacturer. So Walmart does have it available. When you take the original filter out, it's should have it marked as inlet. The inlet goes to this tube. The outlet goes to the tube that goes to where your oxygen tubing attaches externally. So it'll be run up into the handle. On the new unit, it was not marked inlet and outlet, but if you feel the edge, this is a smooth mold edge where the other side is where the 2 halves were put together. So this is the out, which is a sharp edge. This is the in, which is a smooth edge. So we found that same thing on the new unit. Since there are no markings, there's a smooth edge and a sharp edge. And the smooth edge is the one that you're going to put to the inlet side, and the sharper edge goes to the outlet side. Okay, now all you have to do is just reassemble. On your reassembly, I found that it was easier to put the bottom in first because this has to match with the mount bolt on the bottom of the unit. Once that is slid into place, then the rest will go almost into place, except for the tubing for your external filter. It has a notch it has to fit in, and it doesn't like to stay there. So when you're reassembling, you have to make sure that's in place for it to line up in the hole on the back. And then once you have the bottom in, then that tubing in, it doesn't quite fit exact, but you can feel that it will come down when you put that last bolt in. All right, so on your reassembly, you've got the new filter in place. Kind of tuck the power cord down underneath that. You're going to slide the back into this groove around that mount bolt. Make sure both bottom sides are in. And you come up to the top, and behind the external filter, there's that tubing. You want to make sure that's in place, and it'll push down and everything will line up. Then just put your screws in place and you're back in business.